Noise is everywhere, but how loud is too loud? And what damage is it doing to us every day?
Your ATM shower alarm is always buzzing, classes, crowd, and activities everywhere. But have you ever thought how it can affect our ears? Let's talk about how to stay safe and protect your hearing.
What is noise pollution? Noise pollution is a noise exposure refers to spending extended time in loud environment. Sounds above 85 decibels can cause lasting hearing damage.
At the ITM, noise sources may include ongoing construction, cleaning activities, or busy student area. Are you exposed to them?
Excessive noise can lead to headache, stress, and permanent hearing loss.
So, you need to protect yourself by using hearing protections, taking regular breaks, and limiting time spent in noisy area.
Let's make your ITM a safer and healthier campus, and be aware and protect your ears because silence is matters. That's all from us. Bye!